Is starting your marketing journey feeling like climbing Mount Everest without a guide? When you take your first steps into the world of marketing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. It's like standing at the base of a towering mountain, unsure of the path ahead. There are so many challenges to overcome, and each one seems bigger than the last. One of the first obstacles you might face is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? How can you reach them? This is a critical step in any marketing strategy, but it's not always easy to get it right. Then there's the challenge of creating engaging content. You have to find a way to capture your audience's attention and hold it long enough to deliver your message. You have to be creative, original, and compelling. But that's easier said than done, especially when you're just starting out. And let's not forget about tracking performance. How do you know if your marketing efforts are working? You need to monitor your results, analyze your data, and adjust your strategy accordingly. But this requires a certain level of expertise and a lot of time and effort. It's like you're trying to climb Mount Everest without a guide. You're not sure where to go or what to do. You're faced with daunting challenges and unexpected obstacles, but what if I told you there's a solution? What if there's a way to navigate this challenging terrain with ease? Enter Onpassive. This powerful tool is like your personal guide on your marketing journey. It helps you understand your target audience, create engaging content, and track your performance. It's designed to make marketing easier for beginners and experts alike. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the marketing challenge, don't despair. There's a solution at hand. Onpassive is here to guide you every step of the way, from understanding your audience to creating compelling content to tracking your success. Well, breathe easy. With Onpassive, you have a guide to navigate this terrain. But before we get started, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Also like and comment below, it all makes a great difference. Thanks. So, what exactly is Onpassive? Let's demystify it. Onpassive is a cutting-edge AI-driven platform designed to automate and streamline all your marketing endeavors. It's a digital ecosystem that takes care of everything from lead generation to customer retention, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Think of Onpassive as your personal marketing assistant, powered by artificial intelligence. It's always on the job, working round the clock, ensuring your marketing campaigns are running smoothly and effectively. It helps you reach your target audience with precision, delivering the right message at the right time. Now, let's delve into some of the key features and benefits of Onpassive. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools that caters to every aspect of your marketing needs. This includes email marketing, social media management, content creation, SEO, and much more. And the best part? These tools are integrated into a single platform, making it easier for you to manage and monitor your marketing activities. One of the standout features of Onpassive is its AI-driven analytics. It gives you deep insights into your marketing performance, helping you understand what's working and what's not. This way, you can continuously improve your strategies and maximize your ROI. But what makes Onpassive truly unique is its focus on simplicity and ease of use. It's built with the needs of marketing beginners in mind. So whether you're a small business owner with no prior marketing experience or a budding entrepreneur looking to make a mark in the digital world, Onpassive has got you covered. It's easy to set up, intuitive to use, and requires no technical expertise. Plus, it comes with a dedicated support team ready to assist you every step of the way. In essence, Onpassive is not just a tool, but a partner in your marketing journey. It's an all-in-one solution that simplifies your marketing process, boosts your efficiency, and ultimately drives your business growth. Onpassive is your all-in-one marketing solution that makes the process simpler and more efficient. Now that we know what Onpassive is, how do we get started? Well, the process is quite simple and straightforward. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, you will need to create an account. Head over to the Onpassive website and locate the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to a registration page. Here you will be prompted to enter basic information like your name, email address, and a password of your choice. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've completed the registration, an email confirmation will be sent to you. Check your inbox, open the email, and click on the link to verify your account. can't find the email, don't forget to check your spam folder. After you've verified your account, you're ready to log in. Use the email and password you registered with to sign into your new Onpassive account. Congratulations, you're now a part of the Onpassive community. Now let's move to the fun part, exploring the user-friendly interface. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by an intuitive dashboard. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. On the dashboard, you'll find various tools and features that Onpassive offers. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Click around, explore different sections, and don't hesitate to use the help feature if you're stuck. Remember, the key to mastering any new tool is practice. Lastly, it's time to set up your marketing campaign. Whether it's email marketing, social media marketing, or SEO, Onpassive has got you covered. Just select the type of campaign you want to run, fill in the relevant details, and you're all set. Remember, the beauty of Onpassive lies in its simplicity. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner. The platform is designed to be easy to use and highly effective. See, getting started with Onpassive is as easy as pie. You've got your Onpassive account set up. Now what? Well, let's dive right into the exciting world of marketing with Onpassive. First things first, you need to define your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, their needs, their desires? Onpassive's advanced AI technology can help you identify these key attributes. The platform's intelligent tools analyze a wide range of data to give you a crystal clear image of your potential customers. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your market inside out. Now that you know your audience, it's time to create content that resonates with them. Onpassive offers a rich suite of tools to create engaging and interactive content. Whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or a full-fledged marketing campaign, Onpassive has you covered. You can create visually appealing graphics, captivating videos, and persuasive copy, all within the platform. It's like having a full-fledged creative agency at your fingertips. But creating content is just half the battle. You need to get it in front of your audience. This is where Onpassive's marketing automation comes into play. The platform allows you to schedule your content, target your audience, and manage your campaigns, all from a single dashboard. It's like having a seasoned marketing manager who works tirelessly round the clock. Lastly, you need to measure your results. Are your campaigns working? Are they reaching the right audience? Are they driving conversions? Onpassive's robust analytics can answer all these questions. The platform provides real-time data and insights, helping you understand what's working and what's not. It's like having a data scientist who provides actionable insights. And there you have it. Marketing with Onpassive is a breeze. From understanding your audience to creating content, from automating your campaigns to measuring your results, Onpassive equips you with everything you need to succeed in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. So go ahead, unleash your marketing prowess with Onpassive and watch your business thrive. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We began by tackling the challenges that beginners often face when diving into the world of marketing. It's a vast sea, filled with jargon, strategies, and tools that can feel overwhelming. We acknowledged these hurdles, understanding that they can be intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. The key takeaway here is that it's okay to feel a bit lost at the beginning, but don't let these challenges deter you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Next, we introduced you to Onpassive, a game-changing platform designed to make your marketing journey smoother. It's an all-in-one solution, providing you with the tools, resources, and support you need to navigate the marketing landscape successfully. Onpassive is not just another marketing tool, it's a complete ecosystem built with the beginner in mind. Subsequently, we delved into how to get started with Onpassive. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy even for those who aren't tech-savvy. We explored how to create an account, choose the right tools, and familiarize yourself with the platform. The important thing to remember here is that Onpassive is designed to be your partner in this journey, guiding you every step of the way. Lastly, we discussed how to use Onpassive for marketing. We looked at how the platform's tools can help you design effective marketing strategies, engage with your audience, and monitor your progress. The takeaway here is that with Onpassive, Marketing is not a guessing game. It's a systematic, data-driven process that you can control and optimize. So, embarking on your marketing journey need not be daunting. With Onpassive, you can conquer the marketing world with ease. For more information about Onpassive and making money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.